That is a gate 1987. 1987. Okay. So the question is, let P be a quick sort. Let P be a quick sort program. Quick sort program to sort numbers in ascending order. In ascending order. Let T1 and T2 be the time taken by the program for the inputs 1 2 3 4 and 5 5 4 3 2 1 respectively. Which of the following holds? Okay, which of the following holds? So A is your T1 is equal to T2, B is your T1 is greater than T2, C is your T1 is smaller than T2, and D is your T1 equal to T2 plus 5 log 5. Let P be a quick sort to sort n numbers in ascending order. Okay, you are going to apply quick sort in ascending order. Okay, so let T1 and T2 be the time taken by the program for input 1 2 3 4. To sort this, it is going to take some time. It is in ascending order and it is in descending order respectively. Which of the following is correctly holds? Okay, so T1 is the time taken by the program for input T1. For this one input T1, and for this it is going to be T2. Okay, now see, you know that whenever the element, if it is in, so if it is having, see, if you are having element like 1 2 3 4 and another you are having element 5 4 3 2 1. So whenever you are going to have the number of element either in ascending order or in descending order, it is going to be the worst case time complexity, which is going to be big of n square. So here n is equal to this, here the time complexity. So they have said let T1, for time complexity here is T1, here is T2. So here number of element is 4, so you are going to get 4 square, that is your 16. Here number of element is your 5, so you are going to get big of n square, that is your big of 5 square, that is your 25, that is your 25 you are going to get. So time complexity, if you will see here it's going to be 25, here it's going to be 16. See, in every case, big O is going to be big of n square only. In asymptotic wise, it is going to be n square, but as the input here is less, here number of input is 4, here number of input is 5. So T2 is going to be greater than T1. See, this is the trick here. Many of the students, if T1 is equal to T2, they don't consider the number of input. Okay, they have told in the question, let T1 and T2 be the time taken by the program for the inputs respectively. Which of the following holds? T1 and T2 be the time taken. So this will take the more time because it is having the more number of input. In asymptotic wise, it will be same, big of n square, big of n square. In asymptotic wise, it will be same, but if here, since the number of input in T2 in this array is having more, so that's why it is going to take more time. And it is asked in your gate 1987. It is asked 1987. Clear? So this kind of questions you will get in your gate exam. So we have taken some questions. Later again we will take, okay, first we will complete the syllabus, then also we are going to see last. So then also we will solve some previous year gate question.